Well, hello. I've got a surprise for you today. We took some video of a home where we put some stained glass in the kitchen cabinets. And she had such fun artwork all over her house and was so excited to show us. So she loves to collect Utah art pieces. And so this is the Wagoner residence, and she was very nice to show us different art that she had in her home. So come along for the tour.
This is a painting by a family friend, Gary Collins, who's been a Utah artist all of his career. I love the painting because it just brings so much color to the space. But I love living with art, and I love Utah artists especially. But I think having so anyway, I think it's important to live with art if you can. It's fun. We just started acquiring it years ago, and maybe buying a painting a year, or ask for paintings for holidays, birthdays, Christmases, and then I think you end up with a really nice collection. So I am so thrilled with how these turned out. I wanted something. So we're redoing our kitchen, and we wanted something that looked decorative, artistic, handmade, Utah artisan, and so we decided to do the leaded glass from the Gomm studio in Provo, Utah. And I'm thrilled with how they turned out, because this will add some soul and some character into a brand new kitchen.
So I think that was great fun. She was a lovely person and so fun to be around. And she was able to show us some of her beautiful art, and finishing up with some stained glass, of course, and that made me very happy, especially since she was so excited to get it up in her cabinets. I wish I could have shown you then what it looked like all installed, but she hasn't shown me a picture of that yet. So in the meantime though, she's happy, and I hope you had a wonderful time during this tour, and hopefully we can go on more tours like that. So have a wonderful day, and I'm glad that you were here with us for Wisdom Wednesday and Gomm Stained Glass.